Hey guys, welcome back. Ruby here. So today you guys, I am going to do a review on this product. These products are amazing. To me, it's a miracle in a bottle. So this is one of their Korean skincare exfoliating product. This product is amazing, you guys. I bought this product a couple weeks ago and I'm really trying out on my skin. My skin feel amazing. When I use it on my face feel so different. So it is the green tea and enzyme powder wash by Wishtrend. This is the product, you guys. So I picked up this product because I wanted to try it out on my face. So I have some notes here that allow me to read these notes. It's good for cladding pounds, and cladding pounds mean it's about 96.89% worth purchasing. It's also good for blackheads. So if you have blackheads, this is something that you can use on your skin. And the thing about this product, that when you're going to use it, make sure that you put some in the middle of your hand, put some water on it, and do apply it to your skin. I'm going to show you in my hand what I do. It clean and smooth your skin very gently in exfoliation. It refresh sensitive skin. It also calm your skin. It leave your skin super smooth, and that is so true, you guys, about this product. It work great on your skin and it make your skin feel calm and refreshed. So this is the product here that I bought and I'm using it. I don't use it like every day. I use it 3 times for the week, sometimes 2 times for the week. As for me, I don't have sensitive skin. My skin is not easy to be break out. So when I first bought this product and I tried it on my skin, I was like, wow. And I'm still wowing about this product. I am still wowing about it because it is that good, you guys. As for me, I love when I use a product on my skin and my skin feel completely different. So when I use this on my face, I use it on my face feel different, soft, smooth, calming. My skin feel like a baby bottom when I use it on my face. So usually this is the amount that I have leave in it here. Let's show you. This is the amount here. I can see from there, you cannot see it. It come like this, and you just close it after finish using it. So what I always do is just put a small amount of the product in my hand here, and I'm gonna show you the amount that I put in my hand. I hope you can see it. I'm gonna put some water in it, and this thing, I use it on my face, underneath my neck, and I use it to exfoliate my face. I don't wear a lot of makeup like one time that I usually use, so it's not really like, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Then you put your hand together like this. This is how it is. You put your hand together and then you rub it on your skin like this, on your face like this, and it does give you that smoothing effect. It just give you not just that smoothing effect, it just feel great on your skin. So this is a product that I would continue to purchase. It is that good, you guys. When I use this product on my skin feel great. My skin feels soft. My skin feel, and it doesn't dry out my skin. I use it and then I do moisturize after. Even this morning, I apply some to my skin when I'm taking my shower. So I don't like use it and then after using it, I feel my skin feel rough or anything. My skin feels smooth. It feels really, really soft. It does clean your skin so properly good. And that's why I call it my miracle in a bottle. It is a great product to have. I didn't bought mine on Amazon. I did bought it at a Korean skincare store where I went here, and that's where I bought mine. And I'm gonna show you my hand. This is my hand. It's feel soft. When I said it is soft, it is soft. So if you're looking for a great exfoliator for your face, you guys, It's not something to break the bank. You can pick up this, and as I said, it is the green tea and enzyme powder wash by Wishtrend. I use this on my face, underneath my neck. That's where I use it every time I'm gonna do a scrub. It is something that I use to apply to my face. As I show you how I do it, I pour it in my hand, I put a little bit of water, and I rub my hand together and warm it up, and then I put it over my face. It even, after applying it over your face, it gives you a little bit of sud, but it also really good for sensitive skin, and it doesn't too harsh on your skin. It feel amazing. It's one of, like, I don't know you guys, but for me, I call it a miracle in a bottle, because this is a powerhouse. This make my skin feel really, really good. It make my skin feel so soft. It make my skin feel clean. It make my skin feel like, you know, my skin feel like a baby bottom after I finish applying this product to my skin. So this is the product, you guys. If you're interested in it, then I don't know, I think Amazon also carry it, but as for me, I never bought it on Amazon. I go to a Korean skincare shop and I picked it up. You can also supposed to get this online, and all you have to do after you finish using it, it come with this thing, and then you just close it back like this, and it just clip there. So it's not something that are easy to like spoil in the bottle. I don't know, some people, when I went to bought this, the girl tell me, said the best way to use it is 3 times for the week. So some people might use it more than 3 times and they get breakout. As for me, I use it just 3 times for the week, and it does not break me out, and a small amount of this product goes a long way. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. Please remember to like, share, and do subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.